Good afternoon, everyone. It is Wednesday, April 24th, here at KITiizuka. This is English 7D, fourth period. Okay, let's take a look at what we're going to be doing this week. Nothing too surprising, but I just want to make sure that for those of you who are not yet used to what I'm doing, that you make sure that from class 1 onwards, we always have a reflection every week. And the first reflection itself was just to say hello. For all of these reflections, I want you to write. I want you to write on paper. I want you to take a picture with your phone and then upload that. So please don't type this out on a word processor and send me a Word file. That's not a challenge, okay? I was thinking about this last year, and I want to make sure you still remember how to write by hand. Even though with me, when I write in Japanese, I do use a word processor, I know that what I write by hand is much more something that I remember. So I want you to be able to do that too. Always write these reflections by hand on paper, take a picture, upload that. Don't forget to do your reflection 1. And then in class 2, we had reflection number 2, which was about email. Please make sure about that too. Oh, also too, make sure that when you take the picture, that the picture itself doesn't end up 90 degrees. So when you're taking the picture, make sure that you turn off the screen lock. If you don't turn off the screen lock, the picture will turn 90 degrees on you, okay? So turn off your screen lock. This week, okay, you have a vocabulary quiz, and this vocabulary quiz is based on the vocabulary that we already studied in the Quizlet sets. So those Quizlet sets from units 1 and 2, this material, that will be on this vocabulary quiz. So I suggest you study it and try to do your best, try to remember it, then take the quiz. Like the listening quiz, you can take this, see, the listening quiz was, come on, not changing. Listening quiz. You can take the listening quiz 3 times, see, up to 3 times, and the vocabulary quiz as well. You can take it up to 3 times. Moodle will remember your best score. You also have, it's not changing. Okay, there it is. And you also have a reflection. This reflection also, write your answer, take a picture. But this time, the answer I want you to write is a paragraph. I want you to write 1 paragraph. Now, a paragraph is at least 3 or 5 sentences. So I want this to be a paragraph, not just 1 or 2 sentences. I want you to start thinking in paragraphs. Some of you write a lot, and that's great. You know, you want to write more? Excellent, keep writing. But I want you to start getting used to writing and writing and writing. In my thinking, just like speaking, writing is something you learn by doing and doing and doing and doing. You speak little, you can speak little. You write a lot, you can write a lot. So try to write as much as you can. This one is very interesting. This is a YouTube video that I found about a Japanese young man, maybe your age, and he was shadow talking for 90 days. Shadow talking for 90 days. And this video is about what he thought. So this video is actually in Japanese. It'll be very easy for you to understand. But I want you to watch the video, think about what you thought about the video in English, write in English, take a picture, send it up to me. You have your vocabulary quiz. And also today, we're going to be doing some shadow talking using the material that you had in the listening quiz. So very soon, I will ask you to take out either your computer or your cell phone, and I want you to access this shadowing material itself. Otherwise, if you have any questions, you can always contact me at jdmcruz@gmail.com. That's my email, and you can always contact me there. If you have any questions, ask me those questions there. Good. Hi.